Can foundation problems be prevented? Totally, and it's way easier than you think if you just keep an eye on a few key things around your house. So first off, make sure your yard has proper drainage. You don't want water pooling near your foundation because that stuff can cause cracks or even bigger issues. Next, try to keep the soil moisture consistent around your home. Like, don't let it get super dry or totally soaked. Using gutters and downspouts that direct water away from the foundation is clutch. Also, check your foundation regularly for any signs of cracking or uneven settling. If you spot something weird, call a pro sooner rather than later so it doesn't get worse. Landscaping can help too. Plants that don't drink up too much water are better close to your foundation. And hey, sometimes just adding a little mulch can keep soil moisture steady. Last thing, avoid planting big trees too close, since their roots can mess with the foundation over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring drainage issues. If water just sits near your foundation, it will cause serious damage fast, so fix gutters and grading right away. Another common problem is letting soil dry out completely, which can cause foundation settling. Watering the soil during dry spells helps prevent that. A third big issue is skipping routine foundation inspections. By not catching cracks early, small problems turn into expensive repairs, so getting a yearly checkup is a smart move. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle foundation issues and other home repairs. For contractors, it's a great spot to find work and build their local reputation without all the hassle.